So, your faction wasn't on the list of the 16 factions we can expect to see in Kill Team. We know for a fact that there are more to come, but what are the chances your faction will make it? This video is based on answers posted on the official Warhammer 40,000 Facebook page, the Rogue Trader teaser, and on my gut feeling. Feel free to disagree and discuss in the comments. Firstly, we have already seen the Rogue Trader kill team, steampunk and diverse, featuring at least 3 female characters and a person of color. And the dog. Seriously, the dog. If you have ever played Mordheim, you know how rare plastic dogs are. I know next to nothing about dogs, but it's a Doberman, right? We love it already and can't wait for late 2018. Then of course the kill team they are facing. Nurgle. Nurgle, not Death Guard, obviously, since they have already been announced and featured in the kill team trailer. Not just demons, there are Nurglings and Plague Bearers and maggots and flies and what looks like putrid Black Kings for 40k. All new models, mostly new units. And apparently they're quite fond of metallic masks. As a Death Guard / Nurgle demon player, I'm very intrigued by this teaser. I want them, and not just for kill team. But hey, you thought we were gonna talk about your faction, and obviously Rogue Trader and Nurgle mutants aren't it. But this teaser does open a can of worms, pun intended of course, cause kill team may feature factions not represented in 40k, or factions rarely fielded on their own. Inquisition, Jakaro, Sisters of Silence, Officio Assassinorum, Groot, Squads, Beastmen, and so on. I don't hold the answers, but Forge World did make Squad and Beastmen models for Necromunda. Hopefully GW will find them suited for kill team as well. Inquisition did make Shadow War Armageddon by popular demand, so I'm guessing they will come out for kill team as well. Same goes for Sisters of Battle. And those two factions have something in common, they are waiting codices. Kill team could be a way to promote them. I don't think Assassinorum will make the cut. They have their own game and point-wise they are off the charts. But Eversor and Vindicare did make the cut for Shadow War, so who knows. Groot will probably be an option for the Tau kill team, just like Gruts are part of the Orcs. Space Wolves, Dark Angels and Blood Angels will probably not be getting their own kill teams, since vanilla Space Marines come with Space Wolf transfers. Some players are still crossing their fingers though, cause the kill team trailer did feature Thunderbolts not represented in the Adeptus Astartes kill team. Then what about Chaos Demons? Well, I doubt Nurgle will be getting 3 types of kill teams. Does that mean Khorne, Tzeentch and Slaanesh will be getting mutant teams as well? Or demon-based teams, or maybe cultist-based? Or will they be skipped altogether? The only Khorne-eyed units suitable for this type of warfare are Bloodletters and Fleshhounds. Not enough options for kill team. Slaanesh only has the Demonettes, while Tzeentch has 3 types of horrors and possibly the Flamers. I don't see it. Unless it comes with a new range of unit options like the Nurgle kill team, I fear we may not see more demons. That said, I would love a cultist-based demon warband, and with the precedence of Nurgle, there's definitely hope. Talking about units suitable for this type of warfare, Imperial Knights and Custodes will not be getting their own kill teams. I get that the Somi team does not know a lot more than we do, but let's be realistic. The point cost is too high, and Knights assassinating someone, or the shiny bodyguards of the Emperor attempting the same, it's a stretch. It doesn't fit the law. That's it for now. I will of course make follow-up episodes when we know more. This has been Mother Nurgle. Have a nice day.